Wow, this stuff's exclusive. Not just to the Pez book, but to Walgreens. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pez book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns. Will you find the golden egg? Any and everything down below. Now then, this display is amazing to hold these tubes in. So if you need a display to hold your tubes in, go to Walmart, because this is a Walmart exclusive dispenser, but display as well. Very cool display. All right, so let's go ahead and open up. How does this thing even work? Does it see? Okay, so see the little tabs in through here? Yeah, they're cramping my style. So, we have any? No, oh, that's how you do it. Quite simple and easy. Oh, I thought these things were made of a better plastic. Oh, it tears pretty easy. Cool. All right. Let's see what's inside this tube. Hey, vanilla cupcake candy. This is the seasonal flavor for Easter. There's the dispenser. This styrofoam here. So set this over here. Set that right there. And here we have the 2019 Walmart exclusive box and the golden egg. Yes, I have found the golden egg. I was able to find 3 and the box here. So that was my haul. Now, a lot of people have been talking about this line here. Is this a cracked egg? Is there gold gonna come out of this? Maybe chocolate? What's inside of here? No. Kinda looks like a potato. Regardless. So see where that line is? So what causes that, now that's similar to a craze mark. And what's going to cause that is the injection mold process. So it's my understanding in the injection mold process, when you use colors that are, for lack of a better term, shiny like this, gravity is going to pull down. And so where it meets right there and where it cools, it seems like it would cause that issue. Because you don't see it anywhere else on the dispenser. But you can see here. It looks like that's where the plastic met. So that's how I would explain the crack in the egg. But then again, what do I know? I only know this is a Walmart exclusive stand. And you can just, okay, not display those eggs, but you can display these eggs very well in them. Ta-da! So until next time.